Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can log out of Messenger. So I'm on my Android device, so I'm going to be teaching you as an Android person. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process that I'm going to be teaching you a very easy one, you can just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your settings and then go to your apps, then from here go to your apps again and then choose Messenger. So once you are over here in the Messenger, just go to your storage option. From here what you need to do is you need to press on clear data and just delete the app data, and then you'll be logged out from the Messenger on your device. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.